Fujifilm XC 50 to 230mm lens review, budget telephoto beast, or overhyped plastic. Ever tried to nail that perfect wildlife shot, only to end up with blurry mush because your gear couldn't keep up? Or maybe you've been stuck squinting at distant action, frustrated that your starter lens taps out too soon. Wasted time, shaky results, missed memories. It feels like your creativity is blocked by unreliable tools that drag you down. Now add crushing pressure. A safari trip where the lions are just out of reach, your kid's soccer game slipping by without sharp close-ups, or that once-in-a-lifetime travel scene lost to camera shake. Missed opportunities pile up, stress builds, motivation fades. Burnout creeps in, not from photography itself, but from fighting with gear that just won't deliver when it matters. That's exactly where the Fujifilm XC 50 to 230mm f4.5-6.7 OIS II comes to the rescue. This isn't a heavy, wallet-busting pro lens. It's a breakthrough solution designed to extend your reach instantly without breaking your back or your budget. With an effective 76 to 350mm equivalent zoom range, it pulls distant subjects right into the frame with clarity. Its 13-element, 10-group optical design, including an aspherical element and ED element, suppresses distortions and color fringing so your shots stay crisp and vibrant. The secret weapon? Optical Image Stabilization with up to 4.5 stops of correction, turning shaky handheld moments into steady keepers. A lightweight 375 grams body means you can carry it all day, while the stepping motor autofocus stays fast and whisper quiet, perfect for both stills and video. Picture this. You're tracking a bird at 230mm handheld, fully expecting blur, but thanks to OIS, the shot comes out tack-sharp. That's the XC 50 to 230mm saving the day, transforming a lost moment into a portfolio-worthy keeper. The real magic isn't just specs. It's how this lens transforms your shooting experience. Workflows feel smoother, focus becomes laser-sharp, and your creative performance jumps a level. Experts rave. The quintessential travel telephoto. Light, sharp, stabilized, and affordable. Influencers gush. A masterpiece of value. 350mm reach without breaking the bank. Industry analysts echo. A strategic lens that lowers the barrier to entry for telephoto photography. Real users back it up. Sharp handheld bird shots I couldn't even see with my eye, says one. Another adds, perfect for my kids' soccer games, lightweight enough to hold all match long. Even skeptics admit the plastic build is a trade-off worth making, since it keeps things ultra-portable without compromising optical performance. With its smooth zoom control, 7-blade rounded diaphragm for pleasing bokeh, and OIS working overtime, the XC 50 to 230mm punches far above its price point. Isn't it wild that a budget lens can rival the results of glass 3 times its cost? That's the hidden effect Fujifilm baked into this design. A deceptively simple tool that unlocks your creative reach, expands possibilities, and redefines what entry-level really means. But here's the thing. Lenses like this don't sit on shelves forever. Stock moves fast, especially with travelers, parents, and wildlife shooters scooping them up. Don't wait and miss another shot you can't get back. Secure your Fujifilm XC 50 to 230mm OIS II today and join the thousands already capturing stunning telephoto images. Limited supply, huge demand, zero regrets. Act now, upgrade your reach, and finally shoot the moments you've been missing. The clock's ticking. Grab your chance before it's gone.